the last part. So right now over here we have the box making machine. So I think you guys know what this thing is about. So this thing will make the boxes and then make the machine inside. So over here you can see ladies they are putting the boxes over here and then we top that thing over there. So right now we're gonna go to see that thing for now. Okay, let's go. So right now guys, like don't keep fast, so right now we gotta see the result about after cut the boxes. Okay, we can see the ladies is burning. Okay, you can see how the boxes are coming out, right? Woo! Wow. Yeah, that's not professional. The boxes after they're coming out, they have the same side. So the little girl, the little lady, sorry, the little lady. So they have like they have to see everything. So okay, if it's not okay, they have to put it out and then make it again. So I have to go to talk with her, okay? That's the thing. That machine is for make the boxes to cut that part and then all the products inside. So and then over here we get the result. So they're making it out after they have to put it and then put the products inside. So that is here we can see that's the boxes part. You can see the box area. Everything's box over here. See another thing guys. So right now this is the box area. So we're gonna go to the other place. So don't go to eat something. Maybe if you want to eat something, you can go now. In 2 minutes we gotta go to other place. See ya.